you're gonna get a beauty store ASMR with makeup with you. Yeah, you know it. I'm gonna like this, just like this, just like just close your eyes. I can like that too. Close your eyes. Gagalaw. You're gonna move like that, okay? And like parang like you're gonna go away, okay? Not too kunti lang. Oh, a little bit like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're good. You're perfect. Perfect. Ay. Dami pa. Dami pa. It's up. You should just look this. This one again. Wala yun. Dahil yun. Diba? Lakas kasi yung sa akin tugtog. No, you're not gonna. So I'm saying parrots, they're in here. No! Ay, that's me. Skirt. And a skirt. We're almost there. Actually, not. Uy! Bukit ko daw ginagtutugtog. No. Ginaganon ko. Yung lang. Tama yung ano sa'yo. Actually, no, bye-bye. I because you're not done. Hannah. Short nails. Hannah, you're so pretty. You have boyfriend or boyfriend? No boyfriend. Why are you pretty like a teenager? You're a model. Short nails, long hair nails. Short nails. Dad, honey, does you know you have boyfriend? Honey, can I be a little bit long nails, okay? This is being long nails. Actually, this is gonna be long nails. Honey, you like it, honey? Honey, you love it? Honey, you're not ready for your makeup. You become like a makeup to be a model. Honey, why you nails is not, it's just basic. I gotta wait for you. What? No, that's it, just so you don't have boyfriend. That you don't have boyfriend. I gotta put it, okay? Honey, you know I'm model, but the makeup is not a model. Actually, you're a model, just the makeup is weird. I gotta fix it.